I have a Samsung Galaxy A11 here. I'm going to go ahead and set it up step by step from the very beginning. If you want to know how to insert the SIM card as well as the SD card, look in the link below. I have another video for that. Anyway, from here, let's get started. So first thing is tap down here. Go ahead and choose your language. I'm with English here in the US. That's fine. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on the arrow right there. And then from here, you need to go ahead and you can go ahead and read the license agreement, privacy agreement, but you do have to have, click down here, I have read all the above. Now these here are optional. You don't have to, you can uncheck those if you wish, it doesn't matter, okay? So we're gonna go and proceed to next right here. Now let's go ahead and connect to our home Wi-Fi network. Mine is right here. Now let me go ahead and enter my password. After you put in the password, tap on connect. Okay, it says connected now. Let's go ahead and tap on next. Checking for updates. Now here it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. If you want to proceed with that, go ahead and tap on next. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to click on don't copy. I just want a fresh start here. Now it's asking me to sign into my Google account, or basically my Gmail account. You can go ahead and do that now, or you can do it later. I'm going to skip, and I'll just go ahead and do that later. And I'll tap on skip on here as well. Google services, this is up to you. Use location, allow scanning. I'm fine with all these checked. You don't have to have any of these checked, okay? It doesn't matter. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on accept. I'm fine with all those. Protect your phone, you do need a password. I wouldn't advise just skipping this. You have to put in at least something, okay? I'm just gonna go with PIN. You can always set up a fingerprints or face recognition later, or passport or pattern. I'm just gonna do PIN for now, that's perfectly fine. And let me choose a 4-digit PIN here. After you input that, go ahead and tap on next. Go ahead and retype in the 4 PIN number again. Once you retype it, tap on OK. Sign into your Samsung account. You can go ahead and sign in now. You can create an account, or you can sign in later. I'm going to skip now. Maybe I'll sign in later. And then I'll skip all these as well. All right, you're all done. Go ahead and click on finish. Right there. Okay, discover your new app favorite. You can continue. I don't even want to look at that. I'll click on no thanks. And there we go. We are up and running. Pretty simple. Good luck.